All right, so we are moving on. We are at our potting bench, and we are going to be discussing something that's maybe not talked about as much as it should be. Something that is probably a little bit of an educational gap on our part as experienced gardeners. So hopefully this kind of just fills in a little bit of stuff for you. We're going to be talking about zones. Now, this is something that is super duper easy to find out. You can just basically, well, pull up Google and type in your zip code and ask, of course, what is my zone? And it will tell you. Now, that being said, knowing your zone gives you some very basic information on your growing trend over the last 5 years. That being said, there are some deficiencies, so I need you to type in something else into Google at this point and write it down in that section of the workbook on your zone information. I want you to look up on Google your average, okay, your average first and last frost date, because this is going to give you how many technical growing days. Now, there are other things that you can do, obviously, to extend your garden season, but those are going to give you your prime best days to grow your garden. So this is really, really helpful, especially if you are growing food or if you are growing flowers to sell or to store to have for yourself. This gives you a really good idea on what you are going to be able to grow effectively in your zone. I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to have a video at the end of this one so that you can go on ahead and check that out very, very easily and learn more about seed starting for fall in your space. As always, guys, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.